Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 17-inch Golf motor oil gas station flange sign in really good shape. What's nice about this flange sign is it's got two different messages. So as I hobble over on my cast, which I'm getting removed tomorrow, and onto the boots, so hopefully my videos will get better, you get this sign. So if you're into golf oil and gas, or want looking for something for your gas and oil collection, this would be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.